Hey friends, I'm going to show you two things to do in Showit today. One, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a site and reuse it to create a new site so that you don't have to work from your current site and get it messed up. And two, I'm going to show you how to bring in a page from one of your sites into a new site that you're working on so that, let's say that you're working on a new site, but you want to use one of the pages from your old site, you can bring that in. Both of those things are very easy to do. All right, so let's say that you're working on a site. I'm going to pull open a site that I'm working on. And let's say you're like, you know what, I'm going to start a new site. The best thing to do is instead of editing from your current site, because you might mess things up, you can duplicate your current site and then work from a new version of it. So it's like having two versions of the same site. And that way you can preview the new site that you're working on without affecting your current domain. So in order to do that, open the site that you want to duplicate and make a new draft of. Go to the go to the Site tab on the left over here. Hit Site Settings. And what we're going to do is make a share key for this website. We're going to hit Share. And we're going to say Create New Share Key. Hit Share. So now Showit's going to generate this long number that we got to copy somewhere and paste. So I'm just going to open up a text document and new document. I'm just going to paste it there to hang out. All right, I'm going to say Close. All right, so now we're going to click on your name on the bottom left down here. And we're going to say Add to Library. And what we're going to do is paste that key that we just copied in there. And this is going to add our current website to our Showit library as a template. And we're going to say Add Now. And it says, yay, the design was successfully added to your library. So now, if you go to View My Site Designs, or no, you go to View Shared Design. Oh, Create a New Design. That's what you want to do. Create a new design, sorry. We're going to do Create a New Design. If you go over here on the tab on the right where it says Your Designs, you'll see that that new site is there. So this is the site that we duplicated from that original site we were working on. So now if I open this and say start with this design, it'll say My Verity because it was originally named Verity. So that's how you kind of also know that's a copy. So you can just go to the Site tab over here, go to Site Settings, and you can rename it something so that you know this is a copy. So I'll just say Verity Copy. So now I know that if I go, okay, so if you go back down to your name, click that, say View My Site Designs. Now you can see that I have Verity. This is the original site, and here's the copy. So I have two versions of the same site, and I can work from the copy and preview it without it affecting my other site. Now I'm going to show you the second thing, which is adding a page from your old site. Okay, so let's say that you have a page that you want to add from your old site into your new site. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is on the left in the Site tab underneath Pages, click this little plus sign and say Select New Page. Now you can view literally every site that you have in your Showit account and every page on that site and even every canvas, okay? So this is showing you the current site right here. And if I click on this page, you can just scroll through them. Now, if I go to My Sites, look, I have a ton of sites, but you can find whatever site you want to add a page from. Let's say it's this one, and I want to add the service page from this site to my new site. I'm going to select this. So I want to say, I want to add this services page to my new website. And you can say add, but before you do add, the best thing to do is on the bottom here, see where it says import options? Hit apply my fonts and colors, and then it will automatically change the fonts and the colors to match the new design that you have. Now, things are going to look funky because you're going to have to go adjust the size and everything, but at least all the colors and fonts will be the same. So I think this is a better option. So you can say add now. And now you can see that, okay, so this is the original site we were working from, and this is the service page for it. And all it did was it uses, if you go to this design settings, you can see this dark gray is in the color palette of my current site. So it's using all the different fonts and colors from this current site where we just added this page to. So it's super easy to add a page from another site into your current site.